So, Blind Guy, his wife, their life, they have a wonderful show where they feature different people they have met in their professional and personal life. All right. 15-minute stretching. We start with lying down on the mat, and then you just turn your head to one side. Palms facing up. All right. Now you twist and go on the other side. Bring the hands below your shoulders, and then you straighten your hands, and this is going to stretch the abdominals, rectus abdominis. And make sure you're pushing your hands into the ground so that your neck comes out. And now look left and right. Okay. Now push into the child pose. Make sure your hands are fully straight and elevate your elbows as high as you can. Beautiful. Now take one hand, cross it under the other, and also turn your head to look where the fingers are pointing. All right. Now bring the hand back to the front. Now take the other hand, cross it under, and turn your head to face where the fingers are pointing. Beautiful. Now you just stay here. We're going to do the cat-cow stretch. This is the cow, and this is the cat. Cow. So for the cow, you try to look as high as you can, and you let your back sink in. And the cat, I push the hands into the ground, and I'm trying to look at the navel. Cow. Cat. Let's do one more round. Cow, cat. Cow. Cat. Cow. Cat. Cow. Cat. Cow. Cat. Beautiful. Now take one leg, cross it over the other, and then move your hands to the front until you start to feel a good stretch in the glutes. Okay, bring the hands, cross the legs otherwise, move the hands to the front. Beautiful. Now lie with tummy flat and then bend both of the legs, catch them, kick them into the hands, and then you will form a bow shape. If you want, you can rock a little bit. Beautiful. Now release both and then keep one bent and pull it as much as you can. And if that's not enough, you can intensify the stretch by doing this. Beautiful. Let's go on the other leg. Level 1 and then level 2. Beautiful. Now come here, bring one leg next to the hands and then push the hip to the front. Make sure that the toes are not like this but like this. So you will feel a good stretch here and also in the other leg. Okay. Put the hands back down and now turn the feet on its side, the leg, so that you can see under the shoe. Beautiful. Now bring the other leg to the front and then the toes in that position. Push the hip to the front. All right. Now put the hands down, look under the shoe. Put the leg down. Put it back behind. Now let's lie on our back. Right figure 4. And then lift the legs. The leg, catch it at the shin or behind the thigh. All right. Go to the other side. Beautiful. Now come into kneeling position. Bring one leg to the side and then bend towards this side, the side of the straight leg. So we are stretching here and also the inside of the leg. Switch the other leg. Beautiful. Now, put both your hands down. We are going to lift the knees from the ground. Push away from your hands so that you are in this position and you're feeling a nice stretch in the back of the legs. So the more you push, the more the stretch is going to feel. Now you do as if you're walking alternately. So each time you shift, that means you're stretching even more that leg, because it's receiving the push that both of the legs were receiving in the previous. Beautiful. Now stand up. Wonderful. Now wide stance with the legs. Cross one hand, catch it, and then pull. All right, let's go on the other side. Beautiful. Now cross the legs, bend towards the front. Keep the back as straight as you can, and you will feel a nice stretch in the back of the leg. Alright, come upright, switch the way you twist the legs. So the other leg should be behind now. And you push your chest a little bit to the front so that your back is straight. Beautiful. Come upright slowly. Now put the weight of the hand on the head. Let's go on the other side. Now both of the hands in the back of the head, on the back of the head. Beautiful. Namaste. Well done, guys. If you want to be among the ambassadors, the people helping our community to grow, all you have to do is to share 1 or 2 workout. Beautiful, guys. Yes, we did it. Well done. Share with a friend. Sharing is caring. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Today was Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we do workouts for... So we did cardio, followed by core, and followed by stretching. So it was... Yes, I feel that the workout intensity was good. So if I felt it, I think you also felt it, or you also enjoyed it. And that is like the goal of every workout, to be able to feel that you challenged yourself. Even while doing modified, you should be able to feel that you challenged yourself. All right. I see someone new, Jen Space, saying, Coach and everyone, hello. Hello, Jen. Beautiful. Mom saying thanks. I hope you enjoyed the workout. And saying hi, Irene, hi. All right, guys, thank you so much. So it's always a pleasure to have you day in, day out, gifting yourself a good dose of movement. And yes, Friday, I don't know if I'm going to be live, but there will be a workout. And Friday, it's going to be legs, cardio, legs, and 5 minutes of stretching. It's also going to be fun. If you have time, tune in to gift yourself a good dose of movement. And as we end our live, have a lovely Wednesday evening or afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you so much for being here. Alice saying, merci, coach. That's French. Saying, thank you, coach. It was a pleasure having all of you here. Have a lovely evening or afternoon. And see you in the next workout. Bye-bye.